Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Without Limits. So today we're going to be making something super special, something sweet, something chewy, something that caters to all age groups. So what are we making? We are going to be baking some ooey gooey chocolate chip cookies that come out perfect and sweet each time, crispy and chewy as well. So let's get started. Okay, so to bake our cookies, we need to mix all the ingredients together. First up, we're going to be mixing all our wet ingredients. So first up is half cup melted unsalted butter. Next ingredient we're going to be putting in is going to be 1 large egg at room temperature. And we have 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And lastly, we have 1 cup and 1/3 of brown sugar. Okay, so take your spatula and let's mix everything together thoroughly. If you have any chunks of sugar in between, please break them. It's very important to incorporate all your wet ingredients properly. So once you mix all the wet ingredients, this is how your wet ingredients should look. Okay, so time to add our dry ingredients. So now I'm taking 1 cup along with 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour. We have 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and lastly 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Let's combine these wet and dry ingredients together. So we have to mix all our ingredients together so a soft dough is formed. And lastly, we're going to be adding 1/2 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. So we're gonna mix our chocolate chips along with our dough. Okay, so the chocolate chips have been incorporated into our cookie dough. Now it's time to scoop out our cookie balls so we can get baking. So time to scoop out our chocolate chip cookie. Okay, so this recipe makes about 15 to 20 chocolate chip cookies. Our tray is able to accommodate about 15 cookies because you want to leave some space in between so the chocolate chip cookies can spread out. A nice touch to add would be some chocolate chip cookies at the top. So when the cookies melt, these chocolate chip cookies will look nice. So chocolate chip cookies have been scooped out on the baking tray. The oven has been preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and let's get baking. So guys, very important thing to remember, we're going to be baking these cookies for about 10 to 12 minutes. Obviously it depends on your oven, and what's important is to make sure that when you take them out, they look barely done. Please do not overbake them, because if you think they don't look cooked, you're gonna overbake them. Your cookies are not going to be soft and chewy, because we would want softer in the middle, chewy on the outside, and you know, the chocolate chips should be ooey gooey, melty in your mouth. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes since we started baking those chocolate chip cookies. Time to check them. Okay, so chocolate chip cookies look nice and crispy, baked to perfection. They are nice and brown on the outside, very soft and chewy on the inside. You can see they're not overbaked, and the chocolate chips are all melty, gooey. So if you like this recipe, don't forget to click the thumbs up button on our video, and please subscribe our channel for more amazing recipes and videos. Until then, see you guys next time.